morning class. This is subject of foreign exchange management. Uh, Topic of financial regulation. The topic of Foreign Exchange Management Act is 1999, FEMA. It is a short form of FEMA. FEMA, the start the lecture. So, what is the introduction? Introduction in foreign exchange control was first introduced in September 1939. Defense of the Indian rules. Foreign Exchange Regulation Act was first introduced in 1947. This was later replaced the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act (FERA), and after the Foreign Exchange Act was replaced in 1937. That name is FERA. The FERA was very strict and even has a provision for impeachment. FERA was not suitable in the new and liberal economy. Means it is not suitable. It is only there are provisions for the imprisonment. So thus it is was replaced by the Foreign Exchange Management Act in 1999. Next, fourth time the act was replaced in 1999, which come into the effect from 1st June 2000. 1st June 2000, that act was effected or that was in a regularly used in a market or regularly used in a company in 1st June 2000. They in this FEMA Act, FERA Act and FEMA Act playing the role of RBI, major role playing the role RBI. RBI play the key factor role in the management of the foreign exchange. Hello, 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 हेलो. आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है सर, आवाज आ रही है.
Okay, okay. Today's chapter is subject is financial regulation. In a financial regulation, it is a subject of finance specialization. It is a good subject of scoring or knowledgeable in a financial financial regulation. Regulation means this is a act related. This is banking related act. This is a foreign exchange related act, or any in a exchange. In a exchange, there is the National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange related. Those are rules and regulations framed by Indian government or our parliament. That time they passed the foreign. Our chapter is a FEMA. FEMA is a Foreign Exchange Management Association. So it is the fifth chapter. This fifth chapter is the Foreign Exchange Management Regulation. The Foreign Exchange Regulation Act introduced first time in 1939. So, hello, 1939.
Yes, yes.
In 1st September, they have in 1st September in September 39. After that, FEMA introduced in next they are replaced in 1947. This was that time they are replace the name. They are replacing the name, the Foreign Exchange Management Regulation. They are replacing Foreign Exchange RA Regulated Act. Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Their name are replaced. That time they are not the government are not suitable that this act to the applied in a liberal economy. That time they are also changed in a 1999. In 1999 they replaced the first introduced name is FEMA. 99 in 1999 1999 they are replaced the name also FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, and this act are regularly play in a market 1st June 2000. 1st June 2000. In this act playing the major role of RBI, Reserve Bank of India, playing the major role to the applied the principle to the applied the FEMA or FERA Act related documentation, or they are how to smoothly conduct in a market. That time they are playing the major role of RBI. RBI after this is the introduction part. What is the meaning of FEMA? FEMA, it is a stand for Foreign Exchange Management Act. Hello, Foreign Exchange Management Act. This is a Foreign Exchange Management Act. This it is a soft, it is liberal, it is a simplified the law. Means this is the only form the law. Our topic is a financial regulation. Regulation means it is an act. It is a FEMA is the they say that it is a soft, it is a liberal. Liberal means Foreign Exchange Management Act. You have to apply it anywhere, and it is a simplified the law. That means it aims to boosting the foreign trade. They are boosting the foreign trade means the foreign exchange import export related market. That time they are trade. They are the boosting the foreign exchange trade and the investment more. In a FEMA, they are another topic is a investment more in a tune with the country's new economic environment. That it is an important part in the time of 1991. That time FEMA is essential. That time the globalization of Indian economy in the stage of 1991. That time our finance minister of our India's 2002 to 2014 Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was the that time Prime Minister. They are playing the major role, and this is the FEMA in 99. In 99, the FEMA playing the act or passing the act. That time, which are the major factors are in there. This is the statutory based exchange control of FEMA. FEMA in 99. This is the statutory. They are framing in a statutory base. Second point, the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act of 1973, that is named for FERA, F-E-R-A, FERA, and as the amendment of Foreign Exchange Management. Another amendment passed in 1999 for what purpose they form the statutory based exchange control of India. Another, the FEMA 99, another, the FEMA has been introduced as a replacement of FERA. Why? The FERA it is not a liberal, it is not a soft, and they are not conducting in anywhere in a smoothly. That time they are replacing. FEMA is a facilitating the external trades of payments. External trades of payments. Another, they are consolidated and amend the new relating to the foreign exchange laws. And next point is promoting the ordinary development and maintenance of foreign exchange of market in India. This is in FEMA. There are 49 sections in acts. They are playing the FEMA. So this act is a very essential for the foreign exchange management. They are and this time 2020 the FEMA's June 1999's version is applicable. Version or this act also continue in today's day. FEMA Act applicable to the which area to the whole of India. FEMA is applicable in India. Any branch, any office, any agency which is situated outside India means example State Bank of India or another Bombay Stock Exchange, really not for Bombay Stock Exchange, means State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, any branches are outside India, they are applied the applicable to the FEMA, but it is own means first is a FEMA is applicable to the whole of India. Next, these any branch offices agencies which is situated outside of India or but it is owned or controlled by a person resident in India. Those are the persons are Indian persons though are controlled by the any branch that time the FEMA is applicable. The broadly speaking of FEMA, the cover the three different types of categories as per the in a FEMA, which are the categories are covered. So it is a FERA or FEMA. It is a person those who are India or outside India, it is Indian person. The persons resident in India means those are the persons are resident in more than 180 days in a continuously in India. So it is a Indian overseas person or not for NRI. NRI means those are the persons are residencing more than 180 days in a foreign. So this is for NRI. Means in a FERA or FREMA frameworking, this there are three categories. What is there are the first persons of India, the person resident in India, and another third point is a person resident outside India. Those are the person in outside India, but so they are applicable. They are the person is joining in Indian bank, Indian branch offices or agencies, but he in a working in a outside India. So these famous FERA applicable. So these are the categories. The FEMA Act is it related to the export related, means which are the goods and services from the India to outside. Any company, any agency, any offices, they are trading, they are exporting or importing of outside India any company. That time this FEMA is applicable. Another point is a foreign currency. In a foreign applicable act, FEMA, FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, is applicable to foreign currency. Means the other than Indian currency. Means outside currencies, these applicable to the FEMA Act. Another is a foreign exchange, and it means the foreign currency. Foreign exchange means import export related with that time. They are foreign exchange, foreign currency received. That time FEMA Act is applicable. The security of foreign security means relating to the foreign currency or Indian currency. The security expressed in a foreign related the any export or import related transaction happen that time they are expect they are securing the FEMA Act are secured to the foreign currency means any foreigners or any Indians person having the foreign currency that time they are converting that currency into the any Indian rupees or foreign or any other countries related currency. That time FEMA give the protection, give the security. Means in America you are having the dollars and you want to convert this amount in another currency. That time FEMA give the surety or they have to the security for the FEMA. Another FEMA point is the import. They give the support to the give the support means security or they have the goods and services from the outside to the India. Outside of goods related, they give the security and security. Fifth point is the security. Share the stock. Define the Public Debt Act 1994. The Security Act they are introduced in 1994. That act they are introducing the security related act related points. Another services, the FEMA Act giving the services to the banking, financing, insurance. The financial related life insurance corporation or financial related banking or banking related n number of banks, private, public related banks, they are under the FEMA Act. Financing companies, those are they are providing the finance or loans, deposits or home loans. This example HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. These are the private banks. These are the giving the services to FEMA. These act applicable to these are the banking, finance and insurance. These are the service provided. These are the examples of FEMA Act applicable. Another FEMA Act applicable to the transfer means when the FEMA Act is important, the way the FEMA Act is applicable means transfer of sale of goods, the transfer of transferring or receiving the any purchase of goods or exchange. Exchange means you transferring any in currency in Indian currency or foreign currency in exchanging. That time the FEMA Act is applicable. So last but one point is a non-residential India (NRI). in a citizen of India residing outside. That time FEMA Act is applicable. So it is important for the citizen. Those are the persons are outside residency in more than 180 days or minimum of 180 days. That time FEMA Act is applicable. So those are the Indian person, but he is working in a outside of India. But outside India they are working in a Indian company, or example Indian any company, any branch in outside. That time FEMA Act is applicable. Another is the overseas corporate body. Overseas corporate body example, it is a company, it is a firm, etc. It is owned at least 60% by NRIs. Overseas corporate body means the company, the firm, they are owned at least 60% of NRIs. Means India, in a example, is a foreign direct investment. The 60% of persons in a company, they are 60, more than 60% persons are in a that company. They own of body, that time the corporate body, that is called they are applicable to the FEMA Act. Example, any इंश्योरेंस, एग्जाम्पल इंश्योरेंस नहीं, जो भी बाहर के जो पर्सन होते हैं यहाँ पे जो इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, दैट टाइम मोर देन 60% दे आर इन्वेस्टेड, दैट टाइम FEMA Act is applicable. So major provisions of FEMA Act 1999. Following are the major provisions. First provisions, it is a free transactions on current account projects to the reasonable restriction that may be imposed. Free transaction on current accounts. Current account, it is a saving account, and current account, it is related to the business related account. Any shops, any business, any company or trust, that is the current account. They are subject reasonable restriction may be imposed. That is the major provisions of FEMA Act. Second point is the Reserve Bank of India control over the capital account transactions. Relating to the Reserve Bank of India control over the capital accounts transactions. Reserve Bank of India, they are controlling the capital accounts. These are the this example current account or capital account. It is a example company. They are just a minute. Okay. Third point is the major provisions of FEMA. It is the third point, control over the realizations of export proceeds. They are control over the realization of export proceeds. The export related goods and services related, they are realizing the control over. Means they realize means they are realizing the which type of goods are exported. they are realize म्हणजे कुठल्या प्रकारचा चाललेला आहे, काय आहे, त्याचे मेजर फॅक्टर्स, दे आर टू बी प्रोव्हिजन्स इन अ FEMA. Next is they are dealing in a foreign exchange through the authorized persons like authorized dealers, money changers, and etc. They dealing the foreign exchange through authorized person. Means company to company, or their company persons are they are, means example, the FEMA Act provisions to the authorizing the only person, means owners or any accountant main persons to they are to be dealing with. Another, next is the appeal provisions including special director service. In a major provisions of FEMA, they are appealing to the only directors. Any problems, any directives of laws, that time the person of directors, they are applying the special case. Next, directors of enforcement. Third, seventh provisions, it is the Directorate of Enforcement. And last, any person may sell or draw foreign exchange without prior permission and can later to inform RBI. This makes it is more positive features. Means any person sell or draw foreign exchange, means any persons of Indian residential, that persons are drawing any foreign exchange or drawing receiving any cash or any payment. That time without they are not given the intimations to the foreign Indian government or Reserve Bank of India or Indian overseas. They are without any prior permission and they are receiving the money. They are can later after the receiving after they give the information to Reserve Bank of India or